In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mega drop-down menu in Wix. First, log in to Wix.com and open your website in the Wix editor. On your canvas, look for your navigation menu. It's usually running across the top of the page. Click it so you see the blue outline. That's your cue that the menu is selected and ready to edit. A clear selection here helps ensure the settings you change actually apply to your main navigation, not another element on the page. With the menu selected, click Manage Menu, sometimes labeled Edit Menu depending on your editor version. In the panel that opens, choose Add Menu Item and pick Dropdown or Dropdown Menu Item. Rename this new parent item to something intuitive like Products, Services, or Explore. Keep it short and descriptive so visitors instantly understand what lives inside that section. Next, let's organize your pages under the dropdown. In the menu list, drag existing items, say consulting, design, or support, slightly to the right beneath the new parent. As you indent them, they'll visually nest. That nesting turns them into submenu items that appear when visitors hover or tap. You can reorder these by dragging up or down. Place the most important links near the top to reduce time to click. Now control how the drop-down behaves. Click your menu on the page again and open the layout settings. Set the menu type to drop-down. If you see a behavior option for flyout, enable it. Flyout expands submenus to the side, which keeps longer lists tidy and creates a clean mega menu style experience. If flyout isn't available in your template, the standard dropdown still works great. Just keep labels concise. Fine-tune alignment and spacing so the header feels balanced. In layout or drop-down settings, choose left, center, or right alignment to match your header composition. Adjust the padding between items and the overall menu height until the text breathes and nothing feels crowded. Use preview for desktop and mobile to confirm items don't wrap awkwardly, the dropdown isn't too tight or too wide, and tap targets are comfortable on smaller screens. Time to style it. Click Design in the menu panel and select a theme that fits your brand. Tweak fonts for readability, set colors with good contrast, and add subtle hover effects to signal interactivity. You can also apply a light background or border to the menu bar to separate it from the page content without overwhelming your header. When you're happy, click Save, then Publish to make it live. Visit your site as a visitor would and try the drop-down end to end. You've now built a sleek drop-down mega menu that improves navigation and looks professional. If this helped, like the video, leave your questions in the comments and subscribe for more Wix and menu design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll